How to download and install Spotify on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download or install Spotify on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. So simply you can search it from here for Microsoft Store. Alright, so after you find it, you'll have to just open the Microsoft Store. Okay, so once you open the Microsoft Store with your account, you'll got such interface. So from your at the top in the search bar, you'll have to search for Spotify, and now from here you can easily find the application or software Spotify on your PC or laptop. So simply you have to click on that option. Alright, so simply from here you can easily click on this option get, and after you click on that get option, the Spotify application will automatically start it to download on your PC or laptop, and from there you can easily download or install the Spotify app on your PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.